Hey everyone, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more real farming and crop growing videos. Now let's take a look at how onions are grown, step by step. It all begins with tiny onion seedlings raised in a nursery bed. At this early stage, the plants are very delicate, so they need light watering and careful attention. After about 30 to 40 days, the seedlings are strong enough to be moved into the main field. Before transplanting, the soil is properly prepared by plowing and adding organic fertilizer. This gives the onions the nutrients they need to grow healthy and full. The seedlings are then transplanted into straight rows. Each plant is spaced correctly so the onion bulb has enough room to develop underground. Right after planting, the field is watered to help the roots settle in. As the onions grow, regular irrigation and weed control are very important. Above the ground, the green leaves grow tall and strong. Below the soil, the onion bulb slowly forms and increases in size every day. After a few months, the leaves begin to turn yellow and naturally fall over. This is a clear sign that the onions are fully mature. At this point, watering is stopped so the bulbs can harden properly. The onions are carefully pulled from the soil and left to dry under the sun for several days. This process, called curing, helps protect the onions and improves their shelf life. Once curing is complete, the roots and dry tops are trimmed. The onions are cleaned, sorted, and packed. Now they're ready to be shipped to grocery stores and kitchens across the United States. That's the full journey of an onion, from a small seedling to a finished crop, ready for your table. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more farm-to-table content.